Whiskey 5 ordered a pair of 12-round magazines for her Sig P365. The magazines arrived from Atlantic Tactical with the standard baseplate installed, like you see on the mag at right. The mag on the left has the finger extension baseplate in place. Swapping out the baseplates to custom fit your hand is easy peasy. Use a tool to press the D10 on the bottom of the magazine, and press the baseplate slightly forward. The magazine spring will be free once you slide the baseplate out of the way, so use your thumb to prevent launch. Safety glasses are always prudent when working with springs. I released the magazine spring on this one, then slipped the new finger extension into place while pressing the spring back into place. This made the entire reassembly process easier for me. Slide the replacement baseplate into place, and be certain to catch the rails built into the magazine. Once the D10 snaps back into place, you're all set. Sig Sauer has done a brilliant job in recent years with the design and execution of their modular systems. We'll explore this more as we deep dive into Sierra Hits the Fan fundamentals. For the record, there is no relationship between Sig and Whiskey Station. I doubt if they know we exist. The two magazines on the left are 10-rounders, each with a different base plate. The mags on the right are the new 12-rounders. Thank you for watching this video with us. When Sierra hits the fan, whether it is large scale or small, being prepared will always be 90% of the equation. On the shoot, move and communicate spectrum, communications is the fundamental gathering of information. If you do not have access to timely and relevant information in a crisis, you are blind. Take the time now and explore the resources at the American Radio Club. Comms has a learning curve, so if you do not have comms squared away for yourself and your family, or if they are not remaining proficient, now is the time. Whiskey 6. Out.